Right guys, welcome back to the channel today. Today's video is sponsored by Gc Aerodynamics. Today we are going to be fitting one of their kits. The reason for this, I know I've done one on my car a couple of months ago, but this kit here was custom made for this car because the owner didn't want a big splitter on the front and the big side skirts on the side. So they've actually custom made their own kit to accommodate to fit the car. This is the kit here. As you can see, the front splitter. We got the side skirts here as well with all the fitting kit. What I'll do in a bit is I'm going to be time lapsing it and getting all these bits all fitted up, drilled on and in place basically, and the same with this side here with all the fitting kit here. So I'll be doing the video of that as well. But a little insight of Gc Aerodynamics. They're a UK based company. They do quite a lot of range of cars for the canards. They do the front splitters, they do rear diffusers. I'll put all the links for their Instagram and their Facebook as well. Great company. Any inquiries you want, or if you want a custom made splitter or anything, get in touch with them, have a word with them, and they'll work with you basically to make sure you're happy to how you want it. So right, we're going to start off with fitting all the bits up, getting them matched up to the car, and I'll show you exactly how they look afterwards. I've ended up taking the bumper off for the reason being that we've just fitted some new horns. As you can see, the old ones, they've got all water in and stopped working. So I thought, well, it'd be easier just to take the bumper off and fit the new horns at the same time. You just get a rough idea of what it looks like at the sides. And then coming round to the front, it don't look too drastic. It looks very, very smart. It's going to look quite nice once it's all bolted up. So I've drilled some holes there, one there, one there, one there. I've got to drill these in a minute once I've marked out where I'm going to actually have it. So yeah, just got to do that bit around there as well. Where I'm going to put the bolts. Right, I'm going to time lapse that and yeah, show you how to fit all the side bits as well, like these bits, because they will be going there. Got the front splitter all bolted up. I'm just going to show you exactly what it is. I've had a little move around, as you can see, the car's over there. Yeah, I trimmed it down and I think it looks brilliant. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you quickly. It's not fully complete, but as you can see, there's the side bit there. As you can see, working around to the front, it doesn't poke out too much, which is quite subtle. It does look very, very nice. It gives it that little bit of a different look. As you can see, I've got to do this side as well. I've got to do this side, put the canard on and bolt it down. The side's all jacked up because I have been sort of test mucking about with the side skirts. Now, what happened was I put the side skirts on. The back bit was a little bit protruding a bit, and yet again, as women are, she was like, no, it's a little bit poking out a bit too much. I thought it looked all right, but obviously this is her car and I've got to do it to how she likes it basically. So I did trim up this side bit. This is how much I actually trimmed off of it. It's not a great deal. As you can see, it goes there. So I've trimmed it down to that. Test fitted it. Lo and behold, I got a thumbs up from the missus, which is hard to do. Now, as I said before, she doesn't like things like too much in her face, basically. But she's very happy. What I'm going to do is get the side bits all fitted up with the canards. These bits here and this bit here. I'm going to fit the other side as well to the front splitter on the other side, that bit there. Fit that bit and time lapse it and get all the side skirts all mocked up, get these bits all bolted up and see how it looks. Now, finished it. I think it looks absolutely A1. I hope the missus is going to like it. I think she will. She'll be like very pleased with it. But one thing, I've left the car up in the air, as you can see. You probably won't see, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but it's up in the air at the moment because I wanted to show you one thing that was quite vital, that when fitting these kits, it's a must do. We all know about the Astra Vxr, the side skirts. Some of you may know, some of you may not. Proper crouch down, yeah? But I don't know if you can see this, but you've got a little drain hole. There it is there, that thing there. Best thing to do is once you've got it up, mark where the original drain hole is and then just put a drill through the kit basically, and that will help you, as you can see, let the water keep coming out. Done that to the back as well, underneath, and I've done it to the other side. So now, if I get everything out of the way, I'll show you the other side quickly, what it looks like. I've done the other side bit as well, so that's all done now. I think it looks absolutely cool, that looks well cool. Now the sides, as you can see, is not too, it's probably hard to find it on this floor. What I'll do in a minute is I'll get it onto the blue ground over there, and hopefully it will show up the kit a little bit more because it's quite hard to see. But let me quickly do that and I'll be back with you. think it looks quite cool. Not too overdone. And then a little walk down the sides. As you can see, it's nothing too drastic. And the end bit. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Now on to the other side. I think that looks pretty decent actually. So, let us know in the comment section what you think. Whether it's something you would do or not. Tell us what else, from looking for the car, what else you might think it might look good with. Remember, you're dealing with someone who doesn't really do too much customization. She likes cars pretty much OEM. But obviously I've convinced her to do a little bit to it and just bring a bit of a different look to it really. So yeah, guys, in the comment sections, let us know what you think, what else it will look good with. So right, that's it guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, if you want one of these, I'll leave all the links in the description. Or if you want one fitted or anything and you have any trouble fitting them, just give us emails in the description as well. And hopefully I'll be able to help you. But apart from that guys, hope you all enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one. See you all soon.